Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Python 3. 10 or newer is installed and added to your path, so the terminal finds Python immediately. Once done, open Visual Studio Code and install the Microsoft Python extension. This supplies language support, linting, and debugging. Make sure the extension is enabled and restart VS Code if prompted. Also set a default interpreter now by using Command Palette and selecting Python. Select Interpreter, which avoids ambiguity later when create a local virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv and activated in your shell, this isolates dependencies and prevents conflicts. Once activated, return to VS Code and use Command Palette to select Interpreter so it points to venv. Confirm the interpreter path in the status bar. Then install tools like Pylint or Flake 8 and the language server into the environment so linting, IntelliSense, and auto imports work correctly during editing. Finish by configuring debugging. Open the Run pane and create a launch. JSON for a Python file or web framework. This tells VS Code how to start and attach. Next, set workspace settings for testing, linting, and formatter so everyone on the project uses the same rules. Then run a quick debug session and inspect the problems panel for issues. If breakpoints won't hit, make sure the selected interpreter matches the running process. Mismatched interpreters cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.